What's up, guys? So, I have a thing that I need you guys to help me out with, alright? So, there's this game right here. It's called CfoppyBird, and it's really fun, honestly. It is like, if you do it too many times, you can rage quit a little bit, but it is fun. And my friend Daniel Kid, new YouTuber, he's pretty good, and his content is actually really good. And he was actually picked to be on the ranking for Swift cubing. So I think you guys should definitely play for him, and here are a few reasons why. Number one, his content is obviously like amazing. Like, he's small, but he's like great. Like, he makes great unboxings. He makes little skits that are absolutely so hilarious. And he actually made a recent one where like he's on an online cubing event, but he's trying to learn the scroll on parity algorithm. That's kind of his thing. He doesn't know it. And yeah, I think his content is great. That's number one. Number two, it would definitely make his channel grow because more people would know about him. And he's already high in the ranking. I think he has 527 points already. So, plus what you would play for him. Yeah, I think, and that would be great because, I mean, he's obviously an accomplished YouTuber, and it would just boost his YouTube channel a whole lot. And number three, I think, is definitely just, being able to maybe, like, get noticed by more people, because, honestly, I just think that his channel is great. And also, he's really nice, so just always paying back the favor for being such a nice person is always a good thing to do. And so that's why I think you should, play with him so we can beat the top ranking. And yeah, I mean, I already calculated hundreds of points, I hope. So yeah, do your part, and all you have to do is go to just search up CfoppyBird, so like CFOP and then E and then just bird, and then it'll show up. And then when you go into the website, just click play and then click on who you want to play for, and then there'll be an option list, and make sure to choose Daniel Kid, alright? And then you'll be playing for him, and then it's basically Flappy Bird, but as you go, as you solve each cube, which is like 7 tubes, I think, then you get 1 cube solved. And we want to get him to the most cubes solved out of all of the YouTubers on the list. So yeah, definitely, guys, do your part. I'll be doing my part. And yeah, it's Monday. We have 5 days to go. So what are we waiting for? Let's do it. Peace out.